Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gorakhpur location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for article assistant for Gaurav G. Agarwal and co-character accounts. Coming to the job description, there are 6 vacancies are available for this job role, and he or she must be ready to actively participate in day-to-day working in income tax, GST, corporate laws, ROC, compliances, project report preparation, financial analysis, audits, and many more with one of the most experienced chartered accounts firm at Gorakhpur. And it is expected from the candidate to be a quick learner, dedicated person, good listener, and leadership quality as well as during his or her journey of articleship. And knowledge of MS Office is preferred. This is the job description. And coming to the stipend, it will be 150% of the rates specified by ICAI for cities or towns having populations of 20 lakhs and above, and this may further increase up to 500% as per performance appraisal policy of organization. And interested candidates can mail your resume to the given mail ID provided here with the subject line of article assistant. Coming to the next one, there is job opening for associate web developer in Rama University. Coming to the job responsibilities, like revise, edit, proofread and optimize web content, works with cross-functionally to enhance overall user experience of their platforms, own various design tasks involved in the web development lifecycle from start to finish. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications for desired candidate, those like the candidates should have bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science and at least 1 to 2 years of experience using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the proficiency in at least one server-side technology like Node.js, C, ASP.NET, MS SQL, and ability to multitask, organize, and prioritize work. These are the qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for sales executive in eSmart. And coming to the job responsibilities and duties, promote current products to market and reach out customers with their offerings, conduct market research for the product movement and understanding customer needs and requirements, and he will also be responsible for driving targeted campaigns to acquire new customers, sells products by establishing contact and developing relationships with all the local dealers, and he will be responsible for achieving the sales targets on daily, weekly and monthly basis, coordinate with dealers and help out with post sales. These are the job duties and responsibilities. Coming to the desired skills for the candidate, like uh, the candidates should be a graduate or a diploma holder and very strong communication skills like local language are preferred, and highly self-driven and should be individual contributor. Strong negotiation skills are required and strong understanding on local market. Good to have any sales experience, if not a fresher is fine, and should have two-wheeler with valid DL or LL along with vehicle documents. These are the desired skills. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Sales Executive Officer BDM. They are in Supro. Coming to the desired candidate profile, like the candidates should be the age between 24 to 35 years, and coming to the experience required, like minimum 2 years of experience as sales or marketing, relieving letter or resignation acceptance mail mandatory, and should have good communication skills in English and Hindi. And coming to job responsibilities, guiding the team to sell the products on the market, and candidate will be a friendly relationship manager, and the leads will be provided by the organization. Need to close leads and generate business through leads, visit potential customers for new business, and handling existing customers portfolio and generating thorough and assuring that the business targets are met month on month, and working on pre-fixed appointments. These are the job responsibilities. For more information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for telemarketer in cswayamvar.com online marriage bureau. Coming to the job responsibilities, connect and engage with pre-generated leads via outbound calls, approximately 80 to 100 calls, and initiate repeat sales by follow-up phone calls from existing customers. Achieve sales targets by new customer acquisition and ensure growth or revenue from existing customers. Good communication skills, active listening skills, strong convincing skills, client handling skills, and ability to handle stress and rejection in soliciting clients, and flexibility with the rotation off. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the desired skills, prior experience in sales or business development or wise process will be preferred, and solution oriented with effective problem solving skills and knowledge of various online portals will be an added advantage. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, this is a job opening for interior design intern in architectural renaissance. Coming to the job profile, like looking for an enthusiast and a creative interior designer intern to undertake a variety of space designing projects. Basic knowledge of software required and must be a good in marketing or communication. This is the job description. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for ATM coordinator in HDFC Bank. Coming to the job description, the candidates has to manage process adherence by the channel and ensure quality of performance by the ATM channel by having satisfactory audit report and monthly reporting of cash verification. Provide remote support provided to branches for non-ATMC locations for Recon or ATM or TMKs. Customer delight through site visits, ensure that all off-site and captive ATMs are listed once a month without fail. To ensure all the site-related issues are adequately captured in the site verification report and are tracked or followed up to closure. This is the job description. Coming to the skills required, sales and influencing skills, banking product and process knowledge, communication, and knowledge of competition and current trends in financial industry are required. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for sales officer in Acme Organics Private Limited. Coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should have BSc Agriculture and experience will be 5 to 6 years in selling agrochemicals, and job type is full time. And coming to the benefits, cell phone reimbursement, computer assistance, health insurance, and provident fund will be provided. And coming to the experience, like selling agrochemicals, and there should be 5 years of experience is prepared, and total work will be 5 years, and in sales it will be 5 years of experience required, and for the sales representative 1 year of experience is preferred. Coming to the language, like Hindi is preferred. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for executive channel sales in Mercy Appliances, and coming to the salary, it will be 12,000 to 16,000 per month. Coming to the responsibilities, the basic responsibilities of sales officers like sales growth, or to achieve the business targets through the assigned or specific outlets or locations, to look after sales in his or total assigned outlets, taking daily reports and communicating to his zonal manager, and responsible for achieving the product wise targets given from time to time, and to have proper control on different outlets and ensure timely supply of products, plan or conduct sales growth activity for low scale outlets with help or guidelines of seniors, and sales officer having sales kit, having company profile booklet or detailer, brochures and other POP materials. These are the responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.